Today I want to try something a little different. I got this idea from Max over at the channel Unboxo. A link to his channel will be in the description. My name is Miika, and this is MiikaDoesStuff. I make simple videos about tools, DIY, and different projects around the apartment. Every week Max goes through the Parkside offers in Italy and gives a quick overview of what is coming up. I thought it would be fun to try the same idea, but in this case the Swedish one, and see what you think. So this is a small test to check your response and find out if this is something you want to see more of. Let me know in the comments if you enjoy this format. The offers should be available from Thursday the 20th of November, and now on to the first product. Here we have a Parkside router bit set with 30 pieces. It is made for handheld routers that use 8mm shanks. You get a wide range of profiles and cutting options, all stored in a practical hard case. It is a simple way to expand your routing kit without spending much, and it covers most hobby woodworking needs. Next, we have a Parkside screwdriver and bit set with 101 pieces. All screwdrivers come with magnetic tips, and the bits sit in a push-open holder that makes everything quick and easy to reach. This is a complete all-in-one set for anyone who wants a clean and well-organized workbench. A solid everyday kit for both beginners and more experienced users. Another deal this week is a Parkside Hex and Torx key set with 11 pieces. The keys come in a compact fold-out holder that keeps everything tidy. It is a simple but reliable set that covers the most common sizes you need for furniture assembly, tool adjustments, or small repairs in the workshop. And the next is a nice one, a steel sawhorse. It is foldable, height adjustable, and has a maximum load of 200 kilos. Perfect when you need a stable support for cutting wood, working on panels, or building frames. It is easy to store, quick to set up, and a useful addition for any workshop or garage. The next product is the first and only machine this week, and that's a Parkside hand router. It has a 1200-watt motor with 7 adjustable speed settings ranging from 11,000 to 30,000 revolutions per minute. The maximum cutting depth is 55 millimeters, and it has a smooth depth adjustment system. A solid choice for grooves, edging, dados, and more advanced woodworking tasks. And finally, the Tronic 6-way power strip. Each outlet can be switched on and off individually, and the main switch has a light indicator. You get 1.4 meters of cable, which makes it easy to place behind a desk or workbench. A practical option if you want more control over your power management. Pretty good deals this week. The most of them have a 3-year warranty, and that's amazing for budget products like these. What products would you buy? I think I'm going to get the router and the router bits, and maybe the steel sawhorse. You just have to wait and see. So, this is all for this time, and hope you enjoyed this new type of content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.